mind.
Kora moja wankwangyo mago mag Thieth Migago mar thiedho riwore kod riwruoge mamoko mago mag jigiwegi kelo kanyakla thieth mag tuoche mopogore opogore kamoriwo tuo mar kahera, ayaki kod rango ngima mine mago mayach. Ma en achiel kuom yore ma gitiyogo maneno ni e kinde ma pod piny Kenya kedo kod midhusi mar COVID-19, tuoche mamoko kaka kahera, ayaki kod ngima mine mayach ok ojwang'. Ne gichako kod kaunti ma Kiambu ka koro gichano yaro badgi nyaki counties duto mondo mi kuonde manokete ngema thieth corona otige thiedho tuoche moko gi bende.
It's really not possible to have every disease in silo. And you remember the initial whereby we had some isolation centers just for COVID. But now this was just for the emergency. But moving forward, this was not sustainable. And that is how we now came up with this project to show that COVID-19 can be integrated within the health system. Even you reduce the stigma, because you remember that time that you needed to be isolated somewhere. It was so difficult even for people to uptake services. We see it as it's one patient after all, as opposed to having this patient has to go to very many departments and you are treating one patient with maybe multiple conditions. We want all of them to be integrated. That is the only sustainable way really of handling health.
These people are coming for other services, but now you are also testing them for COVID, and in the process you also test them. We are integrating this testing where you find a patient coming for TB clinic is screened for diabetes, for HIV. So one of the things it has helped us in active case finding for COVID-19, TB,